The correct answer in question 1 is A, no change. And the reason, the best clue we can get here is that no change keeps this semicolon. And why do we need a semicolon here? Well, the reason, or let me start by pointing out that this sentence is essentially one large list. That is, the first item on the list are buckets, shovels, and nets waiting by the back door. We'll call that item 1. Hip waders hanging in the closet. This is the second item in the list. Tide table charts covering the refrigerator door. A third item, and here an and that separates the last item. Microscope sitting on the kitchen table. Fourth item. And so anytime we have a list of more than 2 items, it needs to be separated. And in this case, it's being separated not by commas, but by semicolons. So why are semicolons being used here? Well, the answer is that there's actually a second list here. So let me highlight this. Inside of the first item of the major list, there's a sub-list. Here, buckets is the first item on the sub-list. Shovels is the second item. And nets are the third item. And you can see them separated by and here. And these also require a separator. So in this case, it's a comma. And the convention in the English language and English writing is that if you have a list within a list, then the small list gets to be separated by commas, and the larger list is separated by semicolons. And so if we knew this, we would know the correct answer was A, no change, because it's the only one that includes a semicolon at the end. And if you memorize this rule, first of all, it will help your writing. And second of all, you might find a similar question on your ACT exam. And this is a pretty easy point to get.